Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And the stock market started out the day in positive territory, mostly due to positive earnings for Apple, which hit an all-time high of 201.32 this morning, and is still trading 5% higher on the day. However, trade tensions between the US and China have taken control of the market action and pushed stocks lower overall. And as you can see, we're looking at the S&P 500, which still has a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up. However, it is coming under some recent weakness the last few days. And as you can see right now, we're trading down a little over 0.2% on the day at 2,809.80. But we still have a green monthly and green weekly trade triangle. So our key level to watch will be 2,768.51. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Moving along to the Dow, currently with a chart analysis score of plus 90, with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that a strong uptrend is still in place. However, again, much like the S&P 500, this week has had some up and down days. Currently down about 0.3% on the day for 87 points, trading at 25,327.96. And our key level to watch is 24,518.43. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Take a look at the NASDAQ. We'll actually go ahead and add on our 50-day moving average here. As you can see, it's relatively unchanged right now. It was up on Apple earnings earlier today, and our chart analysis score remains negative 60 with that red weekly trade triangle that triggered on Monday. But as you can see, as I pointed out in the Monday video, we had tested the 50-day twice already in the previous 2 months, and it bounced up from there. And it's too early to tell, but it may be holding true as we hit that line on Monday, again yesterday, and we're trading above it currently on the day right now. So we'll have to see if that level of support really holds true and for the NASDAQ to continue higher. With the red weekly trade triangle in the chart and the chart analysis score negative 70, we are looking for a level of 7,933.31. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Moving along to the dollar index, and you can see it's bouncing along the 50-day moving average as well. Currently trading at 94.43, up a little bit over 0.1% on the day, with a chart analysis score plus 85, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up, just coming under some recent weakness. Key level to watch remains 93.44. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Take a look at gold right now, currently trading at 1,227.20. We have switched to the December contract as volume is switched over once we got into August. Issued a green daily trade triangle yesterday at 1,236.50, indicating to exit a short position on a short-term time frame. However, we still do have a long-term trend in place. Key level to watch would be 1,222.60. A move below that level would give us a red daily trade triangle, pushing the chart analysis score back to plus 100. Okay, moving along to crude oil, currently trading at 67.81, issuing a red daily trade triangle today at 68.48, indicating a move to a short-term short position for crude oil. Currently, chart analysis scores negative 70, indicating that that short-term trend is down for crude oil, and our key level to watch would be 70.43. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for crude oil. And we'll wrap it up. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. When we take a look at Bitcoin, has a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for Bitcoin as it's moved back below the $8,000 level. But we're still above the 50-day moving average, trading at 7,549.72. Yesterday's drop was a 7% drop to the downside, and right now relatively unchanged on the day. Key level to watch still remains 9,925.55. A move above that level would give us a green daily trade green monthly trade triangle, indicating a move to a long position for Bitcoin. If this trend lower continues towards the end of the week, we'll probably be giving you some levels on Friday for our red weekly trade triangle, so make sure you tune into that. Every success. Have a great trading day. Watch out for the Fed announcement here in a little bit, and I'll be back on Friday to wrap up the week.